Dirt is like an abrasive. It's like sandpaper. It can ruin your carpet.
This is the Checka Pro Radio Show. Checka Pro Joe has assembled a team of pre-qualified home service contractors to bring you the latest in services, products, and techniques. Now, here's your host, the man with a hard hat and tool belt, Checka Pro Joe.
I love the carpets in my home. Feels good on my feet, and it really makes the house just feel a whole lot warmer. But I'm not sure how often to get them cleaned. So I've asked my friend Erik Olson from Safe and Soft Carpet Cleaning, he's an expert in the industry, to join me here on the program to answer my question. How often should I get my carpet cleaned? Erik, how are you?
Great, Joe. How are you?
Fantastic. You know my dilemma. Not sure how often I should have you come out. How often should you be out at my home cleaning my carpets?
So that's a great question, Joe. And most often we tell people about every 6 to 12 months because of the general wear and tear with the accumulation of the soils and allergens in your carpet. Dirt is like an abrasive. It's like sandpaper. It can ruin your carpet. So every time you step on the dirt in your carpet, it grinds those carpet fibers down, and it can permanently damage the carpet. And so that's why it's important to vacuum every week, at least 1 to 2 times a week. But there are soils that accumulate that cannot be vacuumed out, and that's why a professional cleaning is important. So about every 6 to 12 months, at least once a year, I would say is the best.
Okay, well then I'll get you on the schedule. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Joe.
Checka Pro is your local source for pre-qualified contractors. Stay tuned for more of the Checka Pro Radio Show.